All right, let's cut through the noise. In this explainer, we're diving deep into the latest from the Next in AI newsletter. We're going to cover the new tools your business can actually use today, the security threats you absolutely need to have on your radar, and the huge alignment questions that are going to define, well, everything. Let's get right into it. I want to start with a number that really tells the story of AI in the enterprise right now. 94%. That is the percentage of business leaders who have little to no confidence that AI can handle cultural and emotional nuance. And yet, they're rolling it out faster than ever. We're going to come back to that huge paradox in a bit. So first up, let's look at how AI is getting to work right now. The whole game has shifted from just talking about possibilities to deploying practical enterprise-grade tools. We're talking about making AI more secure, way more automated, and even a real creative partner in the workplace. Now, a massive piece of the puzzle for any enterprise is, of course, security. And OpenAI's new privacy filter is a really big deal here. The key is that it's an open-weight model, which basically gives developers more transparency and control to automatically hunt down and remove sensitive personal info. For any company that handles user data, a tool like this is no longer a nice-to-have, it's table stakes for trust and compliance. And building on that idea of practical tools, we've got Workspace Agents. Think of these as AI-powered teammates that can run complex tasks across all your different software tools. This isn't just about making one little thing faster. We're talking about wiping out entire manual workflows. For scaling up a team's operations, this is a total game changer. But it's not just about data and workflows. The creative side is exploding with new tools too. Take Together AI's WAN 2.7 video suite. This isn't just one model. It's a whole suite of 4 specialized tools for generating video, editing it, and even continuing scenes. This is set to unlock completely new ways of working for anyone in marketing or content creation. So what's the bottom line here? The takeaway is that these tools have a real immediate impact on business. We're seeing automation at a scale that frees up your people, crucial data protection that lowers your risk, and brand new creative powers that can really drive growth. It's all about making AI a practical, productive part of the enterprise. But, with all this incredible new power comes a whole new set of challenges. And that brings us to the new frontier of security, where AI is turning out to be both an unbelievably powerful weapon and our most important shield. And this slide just lays out the dilemma perfectly. On the left, you have a model from Anthropic that showed it could find software vulnerabilities and turn them into actual working exploits all on its own. That is literally AI as an attacker. And on the right, you've got the Advise framework, a new system designed to systematically test and bulletproof AI systems. AI as a defender. We are without a doubt in an arms race where AI is fighting on both sides. Okay, let's switch gears and take a quick lightning tour through some of the incredible research breakthroughs that are happening right now. This is a sneak peek at where all this is headed, and some of the applications are just, they're mind-bending. First, let's talk about education. You know how in massive university courses, it's pretty much impossible to give every student personalized feedback? Well, a new tool called Nyla uses an LLM to give high-quality, autonomous feedback to software engineering students. It's a real shot at helping education scale. And in healthcare, researchers are now trying to figure out how to get clinical AI models to align with our standards of empathy and, just being understandable. The goal isn't just an AI that's a medical textbook, but one that can communicate with the compassion and clarity of a really great doctor. Then there's material science. Get this. AI is now designing things like thermoelectric generators, which turn waste heat into electricity, an incredible 10,000 times faster than human experts. This could totally revolutionize energy efficiency. And finally, if that wasn't enough, we are literally looking to the stars. Astronomers are now using AI and powerful GPUs to sift through unbelievably complex data from the very beginning of the universe, helping us make sense of the cosmos itself. The sheer scope of where this is going, it's just breathtaking. So, all this incredible progress happening at what feels like light speed, it forces us to ask a really big question. How do we actually manage all of it? And that brings us to the ultimate challenge of trust, of governance, and of aligning these incredibly powerful systems with our values. And we're back to that 94%. Remember that number from the beginning? Well, here's the full context from the Associated Press. It's such a powerful reminder that just because an AI is technically capable, that doesn't mean it has any cultural or emotional intelligence.
Businesses see the power for sure, but they also see the massive risk of getting it wrong in a way that just alienates their customers and torches their brand.
So what's the path forward? Well, the consensus that's building is that this isn't just a tech problem we can code our way out of, it's a structural governance challenge. We're seeing the whole conversation shift away from abstract debates and toward concrete questions about regulation and responsibility. And what we're seeing now, especially from investors, is a real focus on balancing this breakneck innovation with responsible, thoughtful deployment. And that leaves us with the one question that just hangs over all of this. We've seen how AI's capabilities are accelerating at a staggering rate, from automating workflows to designing new materials and even weaponizing software. The question is our collective wisdom to guide and govern this technology keeping pace? Honestly, that might be the single most important question of our time.